On the afternoon of July 17, 2022, there was heavy rain accompanied by strong winds in several areas of Shanghai, China. Some local residents said heavy rain accompanied by strong winds knocked down trees and hit cars. A large tree on Middle Yan'an Road also fell. There is also an accumulation of water on the road, and some parts of the road can only move slowly in puddles. The maximum cumulative rainfall is 90 mm, and the maximum hourly rainfall intensity is 65.6 mm. The Shanghai Meteorological Observatory has issued a warning for a rainstorm, pushing to prevent short-term rainstorms.